When doctime is written in HTML5, it helps the browser understand and render the page correctly. After that, the HTML language English, the root elements of your HTML page. The attribute language tells the browser that contact is in English. The is head. The head section contains meta information about the web page, not visible on the page. It includes the meta title links to style, sheets, or scripts. After that, the meta chart set. Specify the chart set encoding for the page. UTF ensure all the character letter symbols display correctly in any language. Meta name viewport content with device with initial scale 1.0. Make your web page responsive. Adjust to the fit mobile, tablets, and desktop screens. With device width fits the screen size of the device. Initial scale 1.0 sets the default zoom level. After the title, sets the title of the page that appears in the browser tab. After that is the body, contain all the visible content of your web page, text, images, links, etc. After that is H1, like contact us, a main heading of the page, used to clearly show that this page is for contacting purposes. S2 is like email, so it is subheading, introduce this email section. After that is the P tag, defines the paragraph of the text. After that is A, href, and email. The anchor tag is used to create a hyperlink. href email makes the text a clickable link. In the case of it's an email link, you can improve it by this will directly open the mail app to send an email. H2. Another subheading for the phone contact sections. P. Paragraph, simple paragraph showing the phone number. S2. Address, subheading introducing the address section. After that is a BR, a line break tag. Move the text to the next line. Used to make the address look neat and clean, multi-line. After that is IMG SRC old contact used to display an image, SRC path or URL of the image or alternative text shown if the image fails to load, also useful for accessibilities. After that is the nav represent a navigation word. It is used to organize and display links to the other pages. After that is UL unordered list creates a bulleted list of items. LI list item, each li represent one item in the list. Example homepage.html and home. It creates the href that link and the another alt home shows a clickable home link. Ahref, the anchor tag creates link between pages. Each link here connects these pages to another file. href homepage HTML home opens a home page. href index.html profile opens the profile page. href course HTML course opens the course page. href feedback.html feedback opens the feedback page. href grades.html grades open the grades page, and href contact HTML contact us open the contact page. After the closing tag, every HTML tag that open must be closed. For the example, paragraph, it should be also have the paragraph closing tag. H1, L1 have the closing tags. Thank you.